Okay, hello again. Welcome back. This summer is a very special summer because the World Cup is coming back, and I know everybody in Korea is really excited for it, and I know that back home in England, people are crazy for it. They're really excited. So I thought today I'd talk to you a little bit about some of the words that we use in football, or soccer, as some people call it. And the big differences tend to be between American English and British English, which we discussed in a previous podcast. But today we're going to look at something very specific. Okay, so what is the difference between football and soccer? Well, football is used in England and soccer is used in America. Although, interestingly, the word soccer comes from England, and it's actually a combination of association rules. So it became a soccer and then just soccer. But that's one of the differences. Another one is the things we wear on our feet when we play. In England, we call them boots, but in America, they call them cleats. Now, cleats are the little things at the bottom of the boot which allow you not to slip. Now, we call those studs in English. But in America, the boot, the shoe, is called a cleat. For Americans, sometimes it's difficult to understand the excitement of soccer because sometimes a game can end with 0-0. Now, in America, that is called a tie. But in England, we call it a draw. And as we know, draws can be really exciting. But, in America, they don't think so. Then sometimes when a tie or a draw is not enough of a result, you need some more time at the end. So in England we call it extra time, but in America it's called overtime. The place where we play, in England it's called a pitch, but in America it's called a field, which is interesting because in the US a pitcher in baseball is someone who throws the ball. But in England, the pitch is the place where we play. Then there's another one, the last one, which is in England, we say defense. Okay? But in America, they say defense. And somebody said that maybe it's because it's just easier to shout when you're cheering. Defense rather than defense. A little boring, maybe. But anyway, those are some of the differences in terminology when it comes to football in England and in America. Thank you so much.